Amid the whispering leaves of California's oak woodlands, a small but resilient bird carves out its story. Meet the Nuttall's woodpecker, a marvel of adaptation and survival, its vibrant feathers a testament to nature's artistry. With a striking black and white ladder pattern on its back, the Nuttall's woodpecker blends seamlessly into the trees. But these markings are more than camouflage. They're a language, signaling territory and attracting mates. Armed with a chisel-like beak, this woodpecker is a master craftsman, carving into tree bark to uncover hidden treasures. The Nuttall's woodpecker thrives on a diet of insects, expertly extracting them from beneath tree bark and within decaying wood. Its long, sticky tongue is a tool of precision, reaching where other creatures cannot. Beyond their diet, these birds play a vital role in forest health, acting as natural pest controllers and maintaining the balance of these ecosystems. Yet the Nuttall's woodpecker faces mounting challenges. Urbanization and deforestation threaten the oak woodlands they call home. But hope remains. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect and restore these vital habitats. Despite the odds, the Nuttall's woodpecker endures, a symbol of resilience and adaptation. Its story reminds us of the power of small actions to make a big impact. Together, we can ensure a future where the Nuttall's woodpecker continues to thrive. Join the effort to protect their home, protect their story.